wani ɗan uwa wanda ke mutumin China ne, wanda ya zo yanzu zai musulunta. So za mu ba shi kamar minti ɗaya. So you have already received the Shahada. Oh, you didn't receive the Shahada. Very good. And do you know what is Islam?
Yes.
Islam is to believe that there is no deity of worship, there is no God but Allah alone, and Muhammad is his messenger. So if you become a Muslim, you will not be worshipping Jesus or any other prophet or idol or anything. You will be worshipping only one God, that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you believe in this and there is no one forcing you, then let me give you the kalimatu shahada so that you can become a Muslim. By saying this, you are a Muslim. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. So you are now our brother in Islam. You are now our brother in Islam. You reverted back to your original religion because you are born a Muslim. You are born a Muslim. Everyone is born a Muslim. So then, secondly, what